Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and leave me some love in the comments below. We're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. If you guys haven't seen the title of the video, we're going to be checking out some soft rollers. Interesting enough. I can't wait for you guys to see the end result of these rollers. I'm just going to tell you to make sure you watch all the way through. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to section out parts of my hair, and I'm just going to comb it through, then brush it, and then I'm going to take a flat iron and flat iron it just a little bit, as well as curl it just a little to get a curl in it. And then I'm going to use the rollers, and I'm going to roll the hair around until it's all the way smooth as I can get it. And then I'm going to Velcro the hair closed. It has a little Velcro on it, so I'm going to use that to Velcro the hair closed. I'm also going to use some of these hair clips to clip my hair out of the way, so that way it doesn't get too much into the other sections of the hair that I've sectioned off. And in between, I think I was watching a fight with Steph. So there was some music playing in between. So you can kind of see me having a little bit of a jam session in between rolling and curling my hair. I'm also going to take some of this cheat oil protectant for your hair, and it's oil infusion to protect against any type of heat damage, and I'm going to apply that to my whole head. If you guys are wondering what flat iron and curling iron I'm using a curling iron by Conair, and it is the ceramic barrel, 1.5 inch. And for the flat iron, I don't know the exact name of it, but I'll put it in the description box. If you guys are interested, it's like one of those ones that steam if you add water to it, which theoretically sounds great, but it's actually not that great. I noticed that the hair is a little frizzy than what I would like. So I'm also going to be using some setting hairspray to spray on the hair and brush it over just to smooth it out a little bit. I'm going to take my extra large pink bonnet that you guys see in almost every video, and I'm going to put that on over my hair to go to sleep, so that way it's protecting my hair without like tying it down too much. So if you have a bonnet at home, you might want to throw a bonnet on over your roller set. Alright guys, so it's the next morning, and as you see, I've already taken out a few of the rollers, and then I remembered that I need to record this for you guys. Show you guys the end of the hair. This is what it looks like. The bottoms aren't too bad, but the root's not great. It doesn't have a great curl at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to finish removing all of these other different rollers, and I'll show you guys the end result. So I'm pretty sure about my face you guys can already tell that I do not love this look at all. It did not give me the feelings that I usually would like to have whenever I'm doing my hair. It's basically kind of basic. I didn't like it, but it is what it is, and this is why we do reviews and we try things out. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.